Hi, my name's Rachel de Thampo. I'm the head of fermentation here at River Cottage, and today I've been here with the ESSE team and we've been cooking on the ESSE Lightheart wood-fired cook stove. We've made some fantastic kombucha fermented blinis, which we've cooked on the top. While they were cooking, we had some apples, plums and spices and a hint of Somerset apple cider brandy roasting in the oven, which we kissed with honey when we took it out. And we had some roasting hazelnuts with rosemary from the garden, a bit of sea salt and another dot of honey as it came out of the oven, which we capped our blinis with.